Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Ethereum to USDT on Bitunix. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing, you need to have your profile available. You need basically to be logged in. Now go here at the top to the spot, and then the second one, convert. So quick conversion, zero trading fees. So click on that. All right, now right here select the coin which you have. So Ethereum, select here Ethereum, then receive USDT, and this, when you have all of the coins that you want to convert, just click convert, and you have successfully converted the uh, chosen tokens. So this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.